Okay, here's a little trick. This is a fuel solenoid from a generator, and the generator set for a few years without being ran, so it is really stuck. So we're going to see if we can get it unstuck. I'm going to take a can of carburetor cleaner. Put it right in here for you, so you can get some down in it. And just force as much of it down in there as you can. While I'm waiting for that stuff to work in there, I'm gonna just take a little Brillo pad. Clean as much of it off the outside as I can. Ah, it popped out. It's already working. Okay, and these things can be really expensive. So if you can get yours loosened up, cleaned up and going, it's gonna be better. Yeah, look at there. Look at there. Hey, we've got some. Now you don't want to, when you get it moving, you don't want to quit, okay? You want to stay after it and put some more carburetor cleaner and a little bit of compressed air and whatnot in there until that thing is really clean looking, and because it'll gum back up when it dries. If you don't get a lot, pretty much get it all out of there. So I'm just spraying. And sometimes I'll take it and just work on a little paper towel and do that a bunch of times. See how nasty that is? That means nasty's coming out of it. You want to get all that nasty out of it that you can. It's still nasty, but it's not as nasty. So we're making progress. We still got nasty coming out, but it's looking better. Okay, all this stuff is highly flammable, so you want to be where there's no flames, smoking, everything, or anything like that. You want to be in a well ventilated area, and you should probably wear gloves. Yeah, that's a lot cleaner looking, see? Getting the gunk out of it. Yeah. Well, That's much better. Kind of clean around it a little bit. Whew, that stinks. That bad fuel. That's what caused it. Yeah, this one didn't take too long. I've had them take considerably longer, but I've never had one I couldn't make work like this so far. Just a little shot of air in there. Let's have a look. Oh, I believe we're in good shape. Yeah. Okay. I hope that helps you.